Hi, I am Arnab Midday. I am from BSc HNH 4th Sem from EIILM-Kolkata. Today I am making matschgand. Let's start.
So let's start. This matschgand is in Kashmiri cuisine. We have the ingredients. This is the mutton balls. These are mutton balls, elongated mutton balls, and we have curd, and we have onion, we have garlic, we have green chili, and we have a little bit of red chili paste. So we'll start. Okay, first we'll start by adding a little bit of garlic. We're putting the curd. Now we are putting the turmeric powder. We are putting a little bit poppy seed paste for thickness. A bit of salt. Now when the gravy is ready, this is a spicy gravy, we are putting the mutton balls. Now we'll put a little bit of garam masala powder. Now this dish is ready. Matschgand is ready for garnish. So matschgand is ready, and do try it at home and let us know how you liked it in the comment section below. Thank you.